Okay, example number 1, using the ratio test, determine the convergence or divergence of summation of n is equal to 0 to infinity 2 raised to n over n factorial. Okay, so ini ato e sub n. Let e sub n is equal to 2 raised to n over n factorial, and then e sub n plus 1, mag plus 1 rata perminti sa bawat n. No? Butangan na nato ng plus 1 perminti, and ato e sub n plus 1. Using gapon sa example, kay e sub n plus 1 raman diri, okay? So equal to 2 raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. So may mo e sub n plus 1, okay? Using the formula or the solution, limit as n approaches infinity, e sub n plus 1 over e sub n is equal to the limit of 2 raised to n plus 1. Divide ra nato ang duha. Divide nato ang ini sa diri sa e sub n. Okay, 2 raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 n factorial divided by 2 raised to n over n factorial. And then, ato ra i-reciprocate. Reciprocal lang ini, di ba? More numerator na ini kay mo denominator. Multiplication, 2 raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 n factorial. Umana exist man si n factorial. Because in n plus 1 factorial, jay pa yun niya igsuo na n factorial. Amo inig murag kibali anak, kibali ini jati. Anak ni dyan n factorial, dirigikan sa n plus 1 factorial. Amo ini mag-exist kan perminti, but mas maradyaw kung i-factorial ana nimo before pa nimo diri na nimo ibutang sa n factorial. Payaw na kanato ani diri na nimo ibutang i-exist. Kaya mo ra man kibali igsuon ra man dyan sila do, pero pwede ra sa blaongon na nimo daan. Pasin mangutan din magikas n factorial. N factorial is gikan diri. Nag plus 1 ra manggod ka. So dapat mo balik ra gud ini na solution in n factorial. Amo ini nag-exist ini siya. Okay, amo ni solution times, then after is equal to the limit, cancel ra ko radyon ini. Okay, limit na sa approaches infinity, divide in 2 raised to n plus 1, pasabot ini 2 raised to n times 2 raised to 1. Duha kibali ini. So amin tagbuyag nako para ma-cancel nato separately. Cancel ini sa cancel. Therefore, mabilin ra kan is the limit of n approaches infinity 2 over n plus 1. So using the limit, divide by the highest power of denominator and numerator. So ang highest power there kay 1 raman, which is ang n. So 2 raised to n. So 0 ini kay 1 plus 0. So the answer, 0 divide 1, 0. So, ang imo limit is 0, which is less than to 1. Therefore, the series convergent because the limit of e sub n plus 1 over e sub n is less than to 1. The series is convergent absolutely. Pwede sa limutan natin, the series is convergent absolutely. So, satisfy siya sa property 1 na ang imo kuno dapat limit is less than to 1. Therefore, the series is convergent absolutely. So, amo to sa number 1 te. Satisfy na nimo ang theorem number 1. Example number 2, using the ratio test gapon. Determine the series convergence or divergent if the summation of 0 to infinity n squared times 2 raised to n plus 1 over 3n. Amoy imo, let s sub n. Amoy no s sub n nato ho. So let e sub n is equal to n squared times 2 raised to n plus 1 over 3 raised to n. So, ang e sub n plus 1, plus 1 ragapon to perminti. So, n plus 1 squared times 2 raised to n plus 1. Nag plus 1, tagang dugang rako ng plus 1 amoy hitabo. Tapos, over 3n plus 1. So, simplify. Diba ini, kay factorial man ini. So, may ni polynomial. And then, this 1 plus 1, mahimos siya plus 2, 2 raised to n plus 2, 3 raised to n plus 1. Okay? Using the solution, limit as n approaches to infinity, e sub n plus 1 over e sub n is equal to the limit as n approaches to infinity. I-input natin e sub n plus 1, which is n squared plus 2n plus 1 times 2 raised to n plus 2 over 3 raised to n plus 1. So, divided by nato sa e sub n, which is ang e sub n kay amo ini. Gikan dito. Divide by e sub n squared 2 raised to n plus 1 over 3 raised to n. Then, simplify na sabi nato. Parehas na hitabo kayo na example. Buyag-buyag nato para mas madali nato makancel. So, is equal to the limit in approaches infinity n squared plus 2n plus 1. So, amo ini tag-simplify nato gikan diri. So, 2 raised to n times 2, 2. Kung sa diri 3 raised to n, dahil tag-simplify na sab nato para makancel nato kay dyan may diri 3n. Hanap-hanapon na nato. So, cancel na sabi ni cancel. Cancel. Therefore, mabilin ra kanimo kay 2. Wait lang. Okay, 2. Dapat 4 ini kay 2 man, no? 2. Dapat 4 ini. Wait lang. Ay, cancel ba gapon isa ka 2 diri te. Diri, di ba? 2 raised to n. So, isa ra kan diri katong mabilin. Nari ho. Isa ra kan katong mabilin. So, mabilin na ka natin is equal to the limit as n approaches infinity 2 times n squared plus 2n plus 1 over 3n squared. Therefore, amoy mahitabo. Simplify te. Divided by the highest power which is n squared. So, divided by, so dyan naman dire mo dyan, divided n squared. Therefore, makuha nato kay cancel ma 0 naman ma 0. So, yun na ka mabilin. 2/3. Therefore, 2/3 which is greater than to 1. Ay, no. Less than to 1 and 2/3. 2/3 is less than to 1. So, natasatisfy gapon sa property nato sa theorem. Therefore, the series is convergent because the limit of e sub n plus 1 over e sub n is less than to 1. So therefore, ang ato limit na exist, the series is convergent absolutely because your limit is less than to 1. Okay. Example number 3. Example number 3 na to is lahi siya sa example number 1 sa example number 2. Determine the convergent or divergence of the series. Okay? So, example. Summations of n is equal to infinity negative 1 raised to n times square root of n over n plus 1. Sulit isab n nato ini. Negative 1 raised to n times square root of n over n plus 1. Ang ato a sub n plus 1, plus 1 sa tagapon sa permi sa n. So, negative 1 raised to n plus 1 square root of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 ragapon. So, simplifying, your a sub n plus 1 amoy mahitabo. Kikan dito ng plus 1 plus 2 na diri. Solution, limit as n approaches infinity, a sub n plus 1 over e sub n is equal to the limit as n approaches infinity. Balik-balik rin kayo puminti ni si Jati. Mag plus 1 plus 1, tapos i-divide, tapos i-reciprocate, tapos i-cancel, tapos hanapon yung limit by dividing by the highest power of your numerator or denominator. Okay, simplifying. This one, negative 1 raised to n plus 1. Amoy hitabo. Present ra nimo ini negative 1 n plus 1. Pero kung tangtangon na nimo absolute value, pag di na nimo ini wayaon, ma-disregard naman ini siya. Kay absolute value 1 bisan mag negative pa inin duha because nakasuyod siya sa absolute value. Kung positive ka jud ini nato, doon. Disregard nato ini pag tangtangon na nimo absolute value na sign ini, sign symbol. Okay, negative 1 n plus 1. Simplifying thing. After that, ang may buhaton, i-reciprocate na sab nimo. So, pag reciprocate nimo, multiplication. So, after that, tibuon nimo, di ba? Ini square root of n plus 1, square root of n. Tibuon mo dyan diri. Or diri nato ibutang. So, ibutang nato square root of n diri. Ato siya ibuyag. I-categorize nato siya. n plus 1, ini sa dato itibo, manitabo. After that, i-divide out nimo ang highest power by finding its limit, highest power of your denominator. So, using this one, iisa ra kanimo square root magado siya square root of n plus 1 plus n. Diri sab, kung hanapon nato ang limit, pili resulta diri, di ba 1? Kay by dividing by the highest power, amo ini, so 1 ang resulta. Diri sab, kung at sab dividean, pag hanapon nato ang limit, this one solution, square root of n plus 1 over square root of n, 1 gapon ang answer. So therefore, your answer is 1. Your limit is 1. Which is according to your theorem, if the ratio test kuno is inconclusive, if imo kuno hanapon ang limit is mag-equal to 1, therefore, ang series nimo is inconclusive. So, therefore, dili nimo na determine ang ija limit. So, failure test siya, failure of the ratio test. Waya siya sa duha, di siya convergent, di siya divergent, kundi inconclusive. So, if inconclusive ang imo limit, we can use another series test para ma-prove nimo na dyan to na limit or dyan to na series is convergent. Therefore, by the ratio test is conclusive because the limit as a sub n plus 1 over a sub is equal to 1. To determine whether the series convergent, you need to try a different test. In this case, you can apply the alternating series test. Na-report naman in ang previous na reporter. In alternating series test, duhara nato kailangan i-show. We need to show na dapat ang limit ni a sub n as in approaches infinity is equal to 0. We need also to prove that a sub n plus 1 is less than or equal to a sub n for all n. Dapat less than siya. Inputan na nato ng 0. By its example, pag ma-prove nato na less than, therefore, satisfy sa duha ka property. Pag ma-satisfy sa duha ka property, therefore, na-exist ang limit, makaproceed sa paghanap sa limit. It must be satisfied by 2 in order alternating series test to converge. Okay? So, let a sub n amo ini. Ganito sa example. At ito gamiton para mo converge ka jud ini siya kay sinis kung conclusive ban way mat ma-determine ang limit using another series test. Okay? A sub n plus 1. For example, square root of n plus 1. Less than gayud siya. Less than perminti an? No. Walis kada ko. Hi ko. Dapat wait lang. Dapat baliskad baliskad din man dito. Dapat a sub n plus 1 diri sa a sub n plus 1 dinhi tapos diri sa a sub n. So dapat diri kay square root of n plus 1 over n plus 2 less than or equal square root of n plus 1. Amo dapat yung mahitabo. Dili dapat laong. Baliskad anything. Baylo ra nimo sa diri. Is equal to dapat a sub n dinhi kay a sub n plus 1. Okay? So solve na nato gamit ang AST, gamit alternating. So, limit as x approaches infinity, x nato ang mga n. Kaya mag-apit man tayo AST. para mas better ma-solve. So square root of x is plus 1 di nato ma-divide da jud, lisod si divide. So gamitan nato ang L'Hopital's rule. Diba? L'Hopital's rule kay derivative nato. By L'Hopital's rule, take derivative of square root of x plus 1. Sa dyan raman ang square root of x, diba? Derivative sa square root of x, 1 over 2 square root of x. And din yung derivative kay 1 rakan, kay ini mo 0 man. So, mahitabo. So, cancel 1, mahitabo kay 1 over 2 square root of x. So, ma-determine nato ang limit. By finding its limit, ang equivalent sa 1 over 2 square root of x is equal to 0. Therefore, na-exist ang mo limit. So, no-satisfy ang isa ka property na less than dapat si e sub n plus 1. By ini, e sub n plus 1 less than kay e sub n. So, okay, check na to. Ang limit ko na dapat kay 0. So, no 0 man limit, therefore, by the alternating series test, the series convergent. Kung okay siya, nahanap nimo ang limit, unlike sa ratio test. Para prove nimo sa imo sir na the limit is still existing if we use another series test. Like the alternating series test. Just to prove na ang limit nag-exist. Unlike sa ratio test na inconclusive man siya, we can find another option. Summary sa exam, na pag dili mo satisfied na property, you need to think. Kaya hamok man mga series test, mga 12, 13, hanap ko dito ano yung dapat nyo angayan gamiton. Okay, example number 4. Using the ratio test. A summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity n raised to n over n factorial. Let e sub n is equal to n raised to n. Amoy na to e sub n over n factorial. Okay, e sub n plus 1. O plus 1 tatagapon. N plus 1 raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 n factorial. Then the solution, limit as n approaches infinity, e sub n plus 1 over e sub n is equal to the limit as n approaches infinity. Input ni man e sub n plus 1 diri, direct e sub n, divided by, may e sub n plus 1, diri, butang nimo, butang sa dim diri. Then simplifying is equal to the limit as n approaches infinity. Reciprocate, ang multiplication, ang point ra ka nabilin, kitag reciprocate man nato in duha. Okay, n plus 1 raised to n, cancel, te, mabilin ra kan si n plus 1 raised to n over n raised to n. So, pwede nato ini matibo sama sa kaina sa square root, ini pwede mato maisa para isa ra ka nato an raised to n, since pareha man sila dya yung mga exponent na n. Okay, so uma nahitabo 1 ini diri, uma nalaong man ini because n divide by n 1. So, 1 over n ang mahitabo raised to n. Tag-simplify ra kibality. Limit, amo na to limit. Di na to pa ini ma-determine because it's hard to explain. So, we need to use the L'Hopital's rule na pod para mahanap natin ang limit. So, using the L'Hopital's rule, let y nato ini, ln y nato ini para mahanap natin ang limit. Let y. Okay, let y is equal to 1 plus 1 over n raised to n. Amo na ini. So, ln y, mag-add ta ln. Ln y diri, mag-ln sabta diri sa pikas. By finding its limit. So, ln 1 plus n, 1 over n raised to n. So, ang n, ipaubos. Ang mahitabo. So, ln y is equal to the limit in opportunity n, ln times 1 plus 1 over n. After, ipaubos na sab nato si n. So, kung ipaubos nato si n, mahimo siya 1 over n. Diba? Okay, so ln y is equal to the limit as n approaches infinity, ln times 1 plus 1 over n over 1 over n. So, by L'Hopital's rule na sab, mag-derivative na sab ta. So, pag derivative nato, ln y is equal to the limit as n approaches infinity, diba? Ln kay u prime over u, which is derivative sa taas, tapos iya dajon value sa ubos. So, derivative sa ini, diba? Kay negative 1 n squared, kay ini kay 0. So, may negative 1 over n squared over 1 plus 1 over n. So, derivative ini, tapos copy ra ini, i-derivative sa nato ini. So, ang derivative ng ini, 1 over n, kay negative 1 n squared. So, cancel ang duha. Ang mabilin ini, kay inirakan, no? 1 plus 1 over n. So, mahanap na nato ang limit ini. Di na ito maglisod. So, amo naman resulta, ln y is equal to the limit as n approaches infinity. 1 plus 1 over n, 0 man inidaan. Therefore, ang imo 1 is, ang imo limit is 1. ln y is equal to 1. So, amo ra ba answer dili? Ang value sa ln y, L times 1, ln y is equal to 1 is e. So, a raised to 1, by its theorem ating, amo yung property sa theorem. If ang balik, dili, amo ini kibali isa ka rule sa L'Hopital's rule. ln y is equal to a. So, a raised to 1, solve that sa calculator, di ba 2.72 bagang siya? Basta dyan something 2.72. A raised to 1. Therefore, ang a, greater than to 1. Di ba dapat ang imo limit kay less than to 1 raga dyan per minute, isa bang equal to 1. So, since no greater than to 1, therefore, by the ratio test, the series is divergent. Since the limit as n approaches infinity, e sub n plus 1 over e sub n is greater than to 1. Therefore, ang imo limit kay divergent. Kay greater than to 1 man siya. Okay, another example. Example number 5 using the ratio test. Ang ragapon pares kaina, simplifying ragapon per minute.